So this is the hidden place where I do birding by hiding here, and you can see there is the Indian great cockle nest over there, which is now abandoned, and this is the place where I do birding. This is my hideout. No bird can see me, and very nice shadow of a big tree. Sometimes I sit with geckos and other reptiles here. And this is a very good place for me. It's my actually habitat type of place.